Hello friends, myself Pawan Solanke. I am studying in Mechanical Engineering 5th SEM from Government Polytechnic Nanded. Now we are going to discuss about the experiment number 6, maintain working of any two high pressure boilers. Firstly we will discuss about the boiler. Boiler is a vessel in which water is heated under pressure and vaporized into steam for a specific purpose. Boiler is called as high pressure boiler when it operates with steam pressure above 80 bars. The high pressure boiler are widely used in power generation in thermal power plant. High pressure boiler is also known as modern boiler used for power generation for steam capacities 30 to 615 tons per hour and above with a pressure up to 160 bar and maximum steam temperature of about 540 degrees Celsius. There are 6 types of high pressure boiler: Lemon boiler, Benson boiler, Loeffler boiler, Smith-Harnell boiler, Velux boiler, supercharger boiler. Now we are going to discuss about the working of Lemon boiler. Lemon boiler is the first boiler in which forced circulation of water which results increase in the efficiency of boiler. Lemon boiler is firstly used in Europe and America. Lemon boiler is the first circulation high pressure water tube boiler. In this boiler, the feed water from hot well is supplied to a storage and separating drum through economizer. Most of the sensible heat is supplied to the feed water passing through the economizer. It means that the feed water is supplied with the help of economizer where waste heat is waste heat from hot flue gases is utilized to increase the temperature of feed water. The feed water from hot well is supplied to a storage and separating drum through the economizer. The most of the sensible heat is supplied to the economizer, which is waste heat. The large quantity of water circulated prevent the tubes from being overheated. The centrifugal pump delivers the feed water to headers at a pressure of 2.5 bars above the drum pressure. The distribution heater distributes the water through the nozzle into the evaporator. Steam separated in the boiler is further passed through the superheater and then supplied to the turbine. In this Lemon boiler, centrifugal pump is used to circulate the water forcefully to the convective evaporator where water inside the boiler converted into steam. In this boiler, steam generated by the convective evaporator is passed through the superheater where moisture present in the steam is removed and steam converted into superheated steam before it supplied to the turbine. This boiler generates the 45 to 15 tons of superheated steam at very high pressure of 120 bar, and at the top of the boiler the air preheater is installed to heat the air which is required for combustion in combustion chamber. With the help of air preheater we increase the efficiency of boiler. And the main disadvantage of this Lemon boiler is the danger of overheating the tubes due to salt deposition as it is high thermal resistance. And this is all about the Lemon boiler. Then we will see about the working about the Benson boiler. In Benson boiler the evaporating drum is absent. The main difficulty of formation of bubbles in the inner side of the tubes of Lemon boiler is overcome to this boiler by raising the boiler pressure to critical pressure to 225 bars. The water has passed through the economizer is to the radiant evaporator where most of the water is converted into steam. The remaining water is evaporated in the convective evaporator absorbing the heat from gases by convection. The saturated high pressure steam at 225 bar is further passed through the superheated and superheated steam is then passed to the turbine. It means that the water from hot well is supplied to the economizer through feed pump. Then this hot water is supplied to the radiant evaporator, where in radiant evaporator the most of the water is converted into steam. Then this steam is passed to the convective evaporator. Then the this steam is further passed to the superheater. In superheater we get the super dry and saturated steam, and this steam is further used for specific purposes. Then we discuss the maintenance procedure of high pressure boilers. Check the water gauges. One of the most fundamental aspects of good boiler maintenance is ensuring that the boiler has correct water levels. Clean the water gauges. Over time, water gauge glass may become cloudy or strained, which could destroy reading. Through cleaning or even full replacement of gauge or gauge glass may be performed during turnaround or other period of shutdown. Clean piping and float chamber. Proper water level control is key, and it is the float chamber and surrounding piping that ensures the water levels are correctly maintained. Remove all sludge or sediment from pipes and flush the fluid chamber. Test the fuel cutoff feature. The fuel cutoff feature automatically stops fuel from entering the boiler if the water level drops too low. This is an extremely important safety feature and should be correctly tested by a qualified technician during boiler's inspection. Check water treatment system. The water treatment system removes impurities that could result to corrosion or sediment buildup if left unchecked. Thoroughly check and maintain the system to improve the boiler efficiency and reduce the risk of breakdowns.